Dear students, today let us continue with the 11th lesson, our non-material heritage. Okay, today's topic, let us discuss about traditional medicine. Traditional, traditional medicine. Medicine. Okay, for thousands of years, plants like neem, haldi and tulsi have been used in India for their medicinal value. Means in our India, thousands of years ago only they are using these plants like neem, haldi, tulsi. They are given most important for the medicinal value. And neem is used for skin. Neem, for what neem is used? Neem is used for the skin and for the tooth and other diseases also. Even for other diseases also neem is used, whether it might be neem leaf, neem stick, it depends on the neem. Neem is used. Haldi has medicinal value for quick healing of injuries and pains. Haldi, it is used for quick injuries and pains. ఎక్కడైనా కానీ గాయం పడి రక్తం వస్తుంది కదా, if anything you are injured and blood is coming, for that haldi is applied. We call it as turmeric also. So it is used for quick injuries and pains also. And tulsi is useful for cough and for building the body's resistance against diseases. Tulsi is used for cough also. If cough is there, they are using tulsi, and not only for cough, even to build our body resistance. Mana body strong undalante, resistance undalante, here tulsi is used in India. Okay, Ayurveda is the Indian system of cure in which prevention of diseases is considered most important than their treatment. Here Ayurveda in India, it is used for treatment of diseases. అంటే డిసీజెస్ని క్యూర్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ ఆయుర్వేద అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట. ఇట్ ప్లేడ్ అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ హియర్ ఆయుర్వేద. సో హౌ దిస్ ఆయుర్వేద ఇస్ దేర్ మీన్స్, దిస్ ఆయుర్వేద వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఆయుర్వేద. ఎలాంటి మెడిసిన్ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళంటే ద మెడిసిన్ విచ్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ given in the Ayurvedas, it is only all the medicinal plants only. Medicinal plants ద్వారా ఇక్కడ డిసీజెస్ అనేది క్యూర్ చేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. దే వర్ క్యూరింగ్ ద డిసీజెస్ బై యూజింగ్ ద ఆయుర్వేద సిస్టమ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, చరకా వాస్ ఏ ఫిజిషియన్ who lived about 2300 years ago, and his compilation Charaka Samhita explained his knowledge about the human body. And Charaka is known as the father of medicine. So who is known as the father of medicine here? Charaka. Charaka is known as the father of medicine. Father of medicine. And India also made valuable achievements in the field of surgery. And Sushruta was an ancient Indian surgery who lived 2800 years ago, and he had described 3000 surgical procedures and 150 surgical instruments in his book Sushruta Samhita. And India has also given the knowledge of yoga to the world. Yoga is a form physical exercise and meditation that makes use of correct breathing techniques, and it has been practiced in India for thousands of years for physical and mental fitness. And not only that, along with that, the most important thing is yoga. Yoga is considered as it has came from thousands of years back only. They are doing the yoga. This was introduced by the Indians only, and it plays so due to yoga, what happens here? It is nothing but yoga is a form of a physical exercise, and if you do the meditation, along with that, meditation also is learnt. So after doing the meditation, what is gained from the yoga and meditation here? Yoga and meditation, after if you do the yoga and meditation, your physical, our body physically, it will be very fit, and not only the physically, even our mental stress also will be lost by doing the yoga and all. Mental stress ni lose cheyadaniki yoga chesevallu anamata, to be physically and mentally good. ఫిట్, ఫిజికలీ మెంటల్కి ఫిట్ అవ్వడానికి యోగా చేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, ఈవెన్ అట్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఆల్సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ దిస్ యోగా. ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది చేస్తున్నారు యోగా అనేది, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో, నవడేస్. అండ్ దిస్ యోగా యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ వాస్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ బై ఇండియన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 100 years బ్యాక్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. అప్పటి నుంచే చేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట.